Expectations from our trip to China are great. I'm looking forward to see a completely different culture, something that will be a new experience for all of us. I'm really happy about the decision that the Chinese government made for the Croatian citizens. It is, I think, a great bonus for many travelers for Croatia. I think it will be great for enabling Croatian travelers or easing the path to reach China. I believe that the suspension of visa will have an effect on increased demand for travel to China, because talking to many friends, family, colleagues in tourism, I know that China is on the list of almost all the travelers that I've spoken to.